How to fix Spotify firewall blocking on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go to settings of your phone and you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here on apps or applications you will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go, the last thing is going to Play Store, sorry, and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope guys this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.